Hello everyone, welcome back to the course of software engineering. This video is brought to you by Newton's group of institutions in association with Redefined Solutions. This is Yegireddy from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and in this video we will discuss about Agile development. So here in this video we will discuss about what is Agility, what is Agility and the cost of change, and what is Agile process. Now coming to what is Agility. So here Agile is a software development methodology to build the software incrementally using short iterations of 1 to 4 weeks so that the development process is aligned with the changing business needs. An Agile team is a nibbled team which is able to appropriately respond to the changes. Change is what software development is very much about. Changes in the software being built, changes to the team members, changes because of the new technology, changes of all kinds that may have an impact on the product they built or the project that creates the product. Now, the support for these changes should be built in everything we do in the software, and something we embrace because it is heart and soul of the software. An Agile team recognizes that the software is developed by the individuals working in the team and that the skills of these people, their ability to collaborate, is at the core for the success of the project. Now coming to Agility and the cost of change. Here, an Agile process reduces the cost of change because software is released in increments and changes can be better controlled within the increment. Here, Agility argue that a well-designed Agile process flattens the cost of changing curve shown in the following figure, allowing a software team to accommodate changes late in the software project without dramatic cost and time impact. When the incremental delivery is coupled with other Agile practices such as continuous unit testing and pair programming, the cost of making a change is lessened. So here, although the debate about the degree to which the cost curve flattens is ongoing, there is evidence to suggest that the significant reduction in the cost of change can be achieved by using this particular Agile process. Now here, let us see what is an Agile process. An Agile software process is characterized in a manner that addresses the number of key assumptions about the majority of the software projects. It is difficult to predict in advance which software requirements will persist and which will change. And it is equally difficult to predict how customer priorities will change as the project proceeds. And for many types of software, design and constructions are interleaved. That is, both activities should be performed in tandem so that the design models are proven as they are created. And it is difficult to predict how much design is necessary before the construction is used to prove the design. So here, analysis, design, construction and testing are not as predictable in this particular Agile process. Now, let us see some of the Agility principles. So here, Agility principles for those who want to achieve the Agility. First one is, our highest priority is to satisfy the customers through early and continuous delivery of the valuable software. And the second principle, welcome changing requirements even late in the development so that the Agile process harness changes for the customer's competitive advantage. And we need to deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. And business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. They need to build projects around motivated individuals, giving them the environment and support they need, and the trust them to get the job done. And the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within the development team is a face-to-face conversation. Now here, the working software is the primary measure for the progress. And Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, the developers, and the users should be able to maintain the constant pace identifiably, indefinitely. So here, continuous attention to the technical excellence and good design exchange, agility, and simplicity. This is another principle, which is the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, which is the most essential. And the best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. And at regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Now, coming to the human factors. Here, the agile development focuses on the talent and skills of the individuals who are modeling the process to specific people and team. Here, the key point is in this statement is that the process model to the needs of the people and the team. So here, the first one is competence. So in agile development context, competence encompasses inborn talent, specific software related skills, and the overall knowledge of the process that the team has chosen to apply. So here the skill and knowledge of the process can and should be taught to all people who serve an agile team members. So here the common focus, although the members of the agile team may perform different tasks and different skills to the project, all should be focused on one goal, that is to deliver a working software increment to the customer within the time promised. So to achieve this goal, the team will also focus on continual adaptations that will make the process fit the needs of the team. So here the third one is collaboration. So here software engineers, regardless of the process, is about assessing, analyzing, and using information that is communicated to the software team. So here creating information that will help all the stakeholders understand the work of the team, and building information that is computer software and relevant databases that provides the business values for the customers. To accomplish these tasks, the team members must collaborate with one another and all other stakeholders. Next one is decision making ability. So any good software team, including agile teams, must be allowed to give the freedom to control its own destiny. This implies that the team is given autonomy so that the decision making authority for both technical and project issues. And the next one is fuzzy problems solving ability. So here the software managers must recognize that the agile team will continually have a deal with ambiguity and will continually be buffeted by changes. So here the next one is mutual trust and respect. So here the agile team must become what the D macro and Lister call a gelled team. So here a gelled team exhibits the trust and respect that are necessary to make them so strongly joined that the whole is greater than the sum of the parts. Next, self-organization. So in the context of agile development, self-organization implies three things. The agile team organizes itself for the work to be done. The team organizes the process to best accommodate its local environment. The team organizes the work schedule to best achieve delivery of the software increment. So here the self-organization has a number of technical benefits, but more importantly, it serves to improve the collaboration and boost them morally. That's all for now. Thank you all. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you one and all.